Hey everyone, the Physics Duo is back again with another video as usual. We have talked about so many things about physics or science in general, but what we haven't talked about in specific is about the stars, or more generally, the stars in groups or what we call as constellations. Constellations are a group of stars. The constellations you can see at night depend on your location on Earth and the time of the year. Constellations were named after objects, animals, and people long ago, and astronomers today still use constellations to name stars and meteor showers. In short, a constellation is a group of stars that looks like a particular shape in the sky and has been given a name. The word constellation actually comes from a Latin term meaning set with stars. Constellations are useful in assisting astronomers and navigators to locate certain stars. Farmers were the first to use the constellations. In some areas, the changing of seasons was so subtle that the farmers depended on the stars to know when it was time to plant and when the time was right to harvest.
Did you know that astronomers have divided the sky into 88 different constellations? Hydra is the largest constellation by area, which takes up 3.16% of the sky. The smallest constellation is Crux. It only takes up 0.17% of the sky.
The Big and Little Dipper are considered asterisms. This is when a small pattern of star is found within a constellation. Well-known constellations can also be used to navigate. For centuries, sailors used stars to determine their location when they were out at sea. This is called celestial navigation. NASA astronauts have also trained to use celestial navigation as a backup in case of modern navigation systems have any kind of trouble.
Also, much before the fancy navigational equipment on seafaring ships, the stars were used to pinpoint their locations. Polaris, word we generally know as the North Star, and Ursa Minor, the Little Dipper constellation, were used to figure out the latitude. It could be figured out by how high Polaris was in the sky. So this was a little bit about the constellation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did so, make sure that you let us know in the comment section. We'll meet you in our next video with some amazing topics.